how to remove buzzing sound mic in Windows. So if this video have helped you, please subscribe to the channel and click that bell icon so you will be updated if there are uploads in this channel. So first, what we are going to do right now is go to the speaker icon at the bottom right and open sound settings. You can click on the right click button in the mouse for you to open that, and then here in the input um, section, make sure that you have selected the right microphone, because sometimes maybe it is your webcam microphone that is set as an input, so there will be a buzz sound that you would hear. And next is to open up the settings of your microphone, and then adjust the volume of the microphone, because sometimes it could be a sensitivity issue, so that's why you should lower it. And Windows 11, you can see it at the side of the microphone, and that's it. You can also manage here for the settings, and you can disable or and enable again the microphone, so it would be restarted. And another solution is to check your microphone if there are settings that you can change in the hardware of the microphone. So in Windows 11, you can see here, you can open the more sound settings and go to the recording, and after that select the microphone icon, since it could be the reason of the buzz sound. And after that, there would be an enhancement option right there, and just disable or enable it so that you would see if there is a problem. So I hope this helps, and thank you for watching.